Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best NordicTrack equipment is probably one of the most recognized names in home fitness, and for good reason. They've built a reputation for innovation, offering a wide array of machines from treadmills to ellipticals, all designed to bring the gym experience right into your living room. But with so many options, how do you choose the right NordicTrack machine for your needs? Let's dive in and find out. Number 5. NordicTrack T-Series Treadmill. This treadmill supports a wide range of paces. You can manually adjust the speed, or let iFit control it automatically for a hands-free experience. It's designed to adapt to your workout needs. Maximize your room space with the easy fold design. Simply press the black bar with your foot, and it will lower itself. This feature makes it convenient to store when not in use. Build strength with incline training. iFit can control the incline for realistic terrain simulation. Remember, a membership is required for the auto-adjustment feature. View your live workout stats on the clear LCD display. You can also connect your device to iFit and follow trainers. This setup enhances your workout experience. Adjust incline or speed instantly with one-touch controls. These controls allow for quick changes on the go. It's all about making your workout seamless. Follow expert iFit trainers through global runs, hikes, and more. iFit auto-adjusts speed and incline. A membership is required to access these features. iFit syncs with Strava, Garmin, and Apple Health. This ensures your fitness journey is always up to date. Keep in mind that a membership is needed, and separate subscriptions may apply. What we like. This treadmill is perfect for those who value space-saving design. It easily folds up, allowing you to reclaim your living area when not in use. With its incline feature, it helps you to build strength and crush hills. If you are looking for a treadmill that combines convenience with effective workouts, you should consider this one. What people say. The iFit workouts are great and the auto-adjust feature is awesome. The machine is very sturdy and the screen is a great size. The incline and decline features are fantastic. Number 4. NordicTrack Commercial Studio Cycle. This cycle is powered by iFit, giving you access to thousands of workouts. You can get coaching from expert trainers, and the workouts adapt to your fitness level and goals with Smart Adjust technology. A pro subscription is required. Follow your iFit trainer on the rotating 22-inch Smart HD touchscreen. It has enhanced graphics and Wi-Fi connectivity. You can also access your workout stats and training progress. A pro subscription is required. The flywheel is designed for incredibly smooth performance. It provides a more even and natural movement, making your workout experience more enjoyable. Experience a smooth and quiet ride with the SMR Silent Magnetic Resistance. You can work out without any extra noise, allowing you to focus on your fitness goals. Get an upper body workout while you push the pedals with the complimentary dual 3-pound dumbbells. It's a great way to add some extra strength training to your routine. You can move the seat vertically and horizontally to find the most comfortable position. This ensures a personalized and comfortable riding experience. Elevate your workouts with 24 levels of digital resistance. These levels are controlled and adjusted automatically by your iFit trainer. A pro subscription is required. What we like. This studio cycle offers a truly immersive workout experience with its rotating touchscreen. The smooth flywheel ensures a natural and even movement. The silent magnetic resistance allows you to work out without disturbing others. If you like interactive fitness classes and a quiet workout environment, this is a great choice. What people say. The automatic resistance incline changes has worked great. The fan is also quite useful. I have the bike in my basement right next to a window I can open. However, once I get going I turn the fan on low and it helps. The bike is very good at automatically doing the tilt and resistance, so you are not messing around with knobs during your workouts unlike other bikes. Number 3. NordicTrack Select a Weight Adjustable Dumbbells. Adjust the weight in small increments to find the perfect resistance for each exercise. This allows you to train your entire body with these versatile adjustable dumbbells. Each dumbbell has a 10-pound handlebar that can be used separately. This is great for toning muscles across your entire body. This innovative set of weights gives you the same value as 30 individual dumbbells. It offers 15 different weight combinations. When you're finished, store your adjustable dumbbells in custom-molded trays. Each tray has clear weight markings for an informed workout at home. These adjustable dumbbells are made from steel and hardened plastic. The set includes dumbbells and trays. It's a complete weight set for your home. Use these dumbbells to target muscle groups across your entire body. You can work your arms, back, chest, legs, and shoulders. What we like. These adjustable dumbbells are a game changer for home workouts, replacing an entire rack of weights. You can easily adjust the weight to suit your needs. It allows you to target all muscle groups. If you're looking for a versatile and space-efficient way to strength train at home, you should consider this. What people say. Nice weight range, 10 to 55, and sufficient increments for me. Compact dumbbells. The dumbbells are no longer than needed for the weight you are using. Easy to adjust. The adjustment system is low effort, but locks solidly and seems unlikely to fail long-term, normal use. Number 2. NordicTrack 1750 Treadmill with 14 touchscreen. Unlock a world of interactive fitness with iFit. This treadmill provides access to thousands of workouts led by expert trainers. A pro subscription is required to enjoy the full experience. The large touchscreen tilts and pivots for optimal viewing. You can easily follow along with off-equipment workouts like yoga and strength training. A pro subscription is needed for full access. Enjoy a more comfortable workout with the runner's flex cushioning. This technology helps reduce impact, allowing you to exercise longer. It is designed to provide a more comfortable experience. Quickly adjust your speed and incline with the one-touch controls. It allows you to easily select your desired intensity. This feature makes it simple to customize your workout. Maximize your space with the space-saver design. It folds up easily and has transport wheels for convenient storage. This design makes it easy to store when not in use. The Easy Lift Assist feature helps you fold and unfold the treadmill effortlessly. It takes away some of the weight, making it easier to manage. Simply use the bar to lower it gently. With an iFit membership, the machine can automatically adjust to your trainer's instructions. It will also adapt to your fitness level based on your workout history. This feature personalizes your workout experience. What we like. This treadmill features a pivoting touchscreen, allowing you to follow workouts both on and off the equipment. The cushioning technology provides a comfortable running experience. The one-touch controls make it easy to adjust your speed and incline. If you are a runner who values comfort and convenience, you should consider this. What people say. The ability to effortlessly adjust the speed, from a casual walking pace to an intense sub-6 mile pace, has been a game changer for my running and walking workouts. The incline feature further enhances the intensity, allowing for a more dynamic and challenging fitness routine. What sets this machine apart is its sturdy construction. It's incredibly strong and reliable, making it suitable for daily use by everyone in my home. Number 1. NordicTrack 3-year maintenance plan for fitness equipment. Safeguard your fitness equipment with the NordicTrack 3-year maintenance plan. This plan ensures your machine stays in top condition, providing peace of mind for years to come. Get direct support for repairs and maintenance requests from NordicTrack. The plan offers a hassle-free experience, ensuring you receive prompt and professional service when you need it. Enjoy unlimited in-home service visits with no hidden fees or deductibles. A technician will come to your home to fix the machine. The plan protects against electronic failures, broken parts, power surges, and normal wear and tear. It covers a wide range of potential issues, keeping your equipment running smoothly. Receive an annual 15-point inspection by a NordicTrack-trained service provider. This inspection helps identify and address potential problems before they become major issues. If the machine cannot be repaired, it will be replaced. This policy ensures you're always satisfied with the product. What we like. This maintenance plan offers peace of mind with in-home service and protection against various issues. It covers repairs and annual inspections, ensuring your equipment stays in top condition. If you want to protect your investment and ensure your equipment's longevity, you should consider this. What people say. The treadmill has many features of the more expensive, higher-end treadmills that are used by rehab programs. Easy to adjust both speed and incline. All the adjustments to speed and incline are quick and easy. The one-touch controls are a wonderful addition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.